How to recover Microsoft Authenticator account without the old phone. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can recover your account without having if you don't have access to your old phone. So in order to do that, you will first have to fill out a recovery form from Microsoft. But before we go there, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new updates. On that note, let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is head over to your web browser, and here you are going to search for Microsoft Account Recovery, and this should be your web page where you get different links. You want to tap on the first one where it says Microsoft Support, so this one right here, support.microsoft.com. You can directly type in this URL as well, and it will directly open up this page. Here you can read about stuff and see if that helps, but what you essentially want to do is scroll down until you see this fill out a form. So tap on this account recovery form, and it will open up this recovery form right here where you have to enter your account that you are wanting to recover. So whether it be your email, your phone, or your Skype name, whichever is connected to your account, just enter that. Then you will have to enter an email address that you have currently access to. So if you have multiple emails, just enter something that you have easy access to. So after you do that, you will just have to verify this CAPTCHA. It will be different every time, so make sure to enter it correctly and tap on next. And then Microsoft will contact you back on this email right here that you've entered, and then they should come up with a possible solution to recover your account. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.